Section 1.1 Geometry Basics. A point is simply a location which has no dimensions. So, for example, this is a point. It's just a location here. It has no dimension, no length, no width, and no height. If I have 2 points, and then I connect the 2 points, this creates a line segment. A line segment is just the connection between one point to the other point, and it doesn't go beyond the 2 points. If I have the other 2 points, and then I connect these 2 points to get a line, but if my line goes beyond the 2 points, this is called a line. The difference between the line segment and the line is that the line segment stops at the 2 points. It doesn't go beyond. The lines will connect the 2 points, but it does go beyond the 2 points. A line is one-dimensional. It has a length, but it has no width and no height. In geometry, all lines are assumed to be straight. If they bend, they are called a curve. So this is an example of the curve. A line segment does not continue indefinitely in two directions, but it has two endpoints, usually indicated by placing the points at the two ends. So this is an example of the line segment. It ends at these 2 points. A plane is a flat surface that continues forever in every direction. It has two dimensions, the length and the width. You can visualize a plane by placing a piece of paper on a table. Section 1.2, Perimeter. The perimeter of a two-dimensional shape is the distance around the shape. For example, if I have a two-dimensional shape, the perimeter for this shape is the distance around the shape. If I start from this corner and then I walk around the shape, the distance around the shape is called the perimeter. If the shape is a polygon, then you can add up all the lengths of the sides to find the perimeter. Polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape with straight sides. For example, polygon can be a rectangle or a triangle or any shape that is closed with straight sides. These are examples of polygon. The perimeter measures in linear units, which is one-dimensional. Examples of units of measures for length are inches, meters, feet, miles, kilometers, and so on. Example, find the perimeter of the given figures. All measurements indicated are inches. I have a polygon here, and I'm looking for the perimeter. The perimeter of a polygon is the sum of all sides. So if I take 5 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, that is my perimeter. And that is 22. Now, in the question, they say all measurements indicated are inches. So this is 5 inches, 3 inches, 6 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. So the unit of my perimeter is also inches. So this is 22 inches. Next example, I want to find the perimeter of this figure here. So if I take this side plus 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 this side, I have the perimeter, and the unit is yards. So I have this is 2, this is 10, this is 7, this is 4, but I have no idea what this is, and I have no idea what this is. Okay, let's figure this out first, this one right here. So imagine if I extend it from here to here. So from the top all the way to the bottom here, this is 10 yards, right? Because this is 10, so this is 10 yards. And then this red part is 4 yards. So 4 yards plus what is 10? So that means this piece is 6 yards. Next, I want to figure the length of this side. Imagine if I connect this piece all the way here. This will be 7. And then this piece is 2 yards. So 2 plus what is 7? That is 5. Right, so now I take 2 yards plus 6 yards plus 5 yards plus 4 yards plus 7 yards plus 10 yards. I'll get my perimeter. And that is 34 yards.